Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two faux leather chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that this chair, so I have, as you can see over here, I have kind of like farmhouse style chairs, and I was looking for something more modern. And well, I still don't know if I'm going to actually get the whole set. This could be a really good video for you to have an idea about these two chairs. These two chairs, actually, I'm going to talk about the assembly for a second. Everything comes explained right here in the instruction manual. You're not going to have any issues, I swear. This is going to take you, each one of these chairs, probably 10 minutes, no more than that. You can actually repeat the process by memory, and you're going to do it like super fast. I think it took me 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes, and my cat is right here. She's gonna jump right over here. But I think it took me less than 20 minutes, both of this chair. There are a few things that I like about this chair, but the one thing that I do kind of like, I'm impressed about it a little bit, is that each one of these chairs supports 300 pounds. So just judging by the size of these chairs, that's actually quite a lot of weight. Let's take a closer look, if she allows me, for sure. So the first thing that I want to show you is this right here, because in this metal frame, which is actually pretty solid, it has some kind of I don't know how to say, but it has some juggling, some room for movement right here. So you can rock a little bit. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds. But then something super important is that you have these two pads over here for both stability and not damaging your wooden floor. If you have a wooden floor, it won't damage your wooden floor. And also right here, two rubber pads for the same purpose, and of course for leveling. But then, as I was telling you before, these are kind of like wide chairs. These are not like super small chairs. These are kind of like wide right here. So it's going to give you a really nice support. But more than anything, these are super firm chairs. You can see that this is thick. This is actually pretty thick, just again, judging by the size of this chair. So this is going to give both a good kind of like stylish and modern look, but also some really good support when sitting. And of course, the rattan over here is going to also give you a really nice support with this comped area. And of course, the wooden accents over here, as well as the chrome frame, the metal frame on the back. And now you can see it a little bit from the back as well. But this is what I was telling you before. You can see that this one kind of like allows me to rock a little bit and have that bouncing effect over here. These are not kind of like 90 degrees posture chairs. These are more for like relaxing experience, like a relaxing experience, and just eating, of course, and having a meal with friends and family, and just like relaxing and having a conversation as well. I like them, super easy to install, 300 pounds of weight limit, and of course they look kind of like a mix in between the farmhouse style and the modern and stylish one, with all the chrome accents, the faux leather, and the wooden accents as well. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.